All right, the Nissan and the Subi have been getting a lot of love. So now is the Toyota's time. We're gonna go to Elko, Nevada, which is 2.5 hours away. Gonna go have lunch with my dad. As you can see, cleaned her up since my last road trip, so it's not bad. Sus really wants to get in. Sorry, boy, you gotta stay here. Watch out. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is just check for oil, check fluids, all that fancy stuff before we take off. He bought his ball out. He wants to play fetch. Go get it. He'll be back. Gotta say, for a 230,000 mile engine, this is very clean, no leaks. But anyways, so got power steering. And a little tad low on windshield washer fluid, so we'll top that off. Coolant, good enough. Battery terminals look okay. These down myself, so I don't trust it 100%, but hasn't let me down yet. And then, so check this out. So I recently got this car tested for emissions, and they checked everything, and it had zip ties holding this together. They did a poor job on closing this to seal us outside, and the zip ties that were holding this together weren't replaced. So yeah, what do you guys think? Bad job, or should I have just left it alone? I don't know. Okay, get that in there. Easy as pie. Alright, so oddly enough, I ran out of zip ties small enough that'll fit those holes, so I went ahead and got 2 bungee cords to kind of hold this down. Definitely will have to buy some and do this properly, but for now, this will do. And last, but definitely not least, we want to check out the oil. So yeah, it looks like we're a tad overfilled, but she'll do for now. It's probably a good idea for an oil change. It's getting kind of dirty on an engine this old. Never a bad idea. See, no funnel. Ah. Okay, a little bit of spill, but not bad. All right, with that, we're ready to go. All right, Zeus, protect the house. All right, we got plenty of fuel. Check engine line, but as we know, with a truck this old, that's a requirement, not a problem. Flats and people are where they take their off-road vehicles. Personally, I couldn't see myself doing that. Getting my car all rusty. No thanks. Plain dirt works plenty fine for me. These are the Bonneville Salt Flats, but I don't feel like stopping right now. Welcome to Elko, Nevada. Alright, one quick stop at my dad's work, and then we'll go to the restaurant. There's his truck. Really nice truck, might I add. Kita mi papá. Aquí vamos. Never did I think I'd live to see the day where gas would be $4.3 a gallon for 85, especially at a town like this. But here we are. Check it out! Beverly Hills. I mean, as far as Cowboy Beverly Hills, that's not bad. Alright, almost back. I gotta say, driving around here almost feels like I'm in a scene from Mad Max or something. Okay, one last rant. For a city as big as area, the Salt Lake City area with as little people, only 1.5 million in the entire area, there's no excuse for this traffic to be this bad. But oh well. Alright, now that we're home, pop the hood. Make sure those bungee cords held up. Beautiful. So yeah, that'll do for now. But yeah, I got those zip ties on order, and we'll fix. Actually, it's much better. Got a better anchor point. But yeah, road trip over. Short one, but yeah, this thing is so reliable, man. I've taken her to Vegas, which is like a 6-hour drive and back in the heat. But yeah, that oil change will definitely have to be done soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you on the next one.